friends.
Hello, namaste. मेरा नाम इरीना.
My name is Amir.
And welcome to our channel.
Life with Russian vibe.
Yay!
तो फ्रेंड्स फाइनली हम गुड़गांव के बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल एरिया जिसका नाम है साइबर सिटी.
Yeah, and it is really looking awesome. It is so amazing. Clean, green, beautiful, and plus today there is no much people. I see only 1-2 person are passing by. That's it. It's wonderful. Friends, I have never expected that just near to Delhi there is such an amazing place where you can spend your time. It's really amazing.
Yes. और right now we are in Cyber Hub. तो Cyber Hub यहाँ पे ऑफिस एरिया के नीचे एक walking area है. We have restaurants, entertainment and everything. So you can come and walk and enjoy the life.
Yeah, it's so beautiful. And plus at the daytime, I have never seen such a clean place near to Delhi. It's really wonderful.
So okay, I think let's show our subscribers how Cyber Hub looks like.
Yeah, let's have a walk and I also will see everything with my own eyes.
और this is we are entering finally Cyber Hub. It looks so beautiful. और यहाँ पे मैं काफ़ी टाइम बाद आ रहा हूँ. ऐसे ही they have sanitization also.
Oh, we haven't come here for centuries.
Yes.
Oh, they're sanitizing. Can you imagine? They're spraying on the car. Can you imagine? They already switched on the sanitizer. Yeah.
Yeah. Now car going to be sanitized. See, very amazing service. So I think I'll park somewhere.
It looks so green and beautiful. Wow. It looks so green and beautiful. Wow.
Yes.
It's a proper parking here.
Yes.
That's good. Wow, wonderful.
Proper green
Great.
parking.
Oh, here there is parking.
और फ्रेंड्स फाइनली हम साइबर हब आ चुके हैं. देखिए कितना खूबसूरत है. इट्स सराउंडेड बाय ऑल दोज ब्यूटीफुल बिल्डिंग्स. नाइस. और यहाँ पे आपको लगेगा कि आप दिल्ली में नहीं, यू आर समवेयर अब्रॉड. इट्स वेरी ब्यूटीफुली दे हैव मेड एंड दिस इज़ द लोगो ऑफ साइबर हब. नाइस. तो ये जस्ट साइबर सिटी में ही है.
See what's the entry? This is the entrance, right?
Yeah, this is the entrance to Cyber Hub.
I haven't been here for centuries. Wow.
Nice. सी दोस्तों, आज हवा इतनी बढ़िया चल रही है और दिन में साइबर हब तो का मज़ा अलग ही है. हल्की हल्की धूप, ना ज़्यादा ठंड. It's so warm and so beautifully decorated, Cyber. ये Chinese lights लगा रखी हैं, see?
Yeah, there are so many restaurants and cafes, like on every and each of the choice of yours. If you want one type of cuisine, you can get it. Another type of cuisine, you also can get it. Millions of coffee shops, and I cannot even tell what they do not have. They have so many millions of things. So you have to just come and explore it on your own.
Yes, और यहाँ पे office building है चारों तरफ, देखिए,
Can you
so
imagine?
beautiful.
You do not believe that you are in India, that you are just in the heart of India near to Delhi. It's unbelievably beautiful, clean, and so much modern. It's really wonderful. No words, only one word is wow.
Yes, और यहाँ पे सिर्फ ground floor ही नहीं है, so it has 3 floors, जहाँ पे clubs हैं, cafe है, disc है, और भी बहुत सारे entertainment है, और weekend में यहाँ shows भी होते हैं, so you can easily
Look,
spend
they
your
have
time.
made like as if it's some European cafe. Wonderful. Oh, that looks so amazing, friends. All green grass. They have food and small tables outside. You feel as if you're somewhere in holidaying or on your vacations. It's not that you just came out of your house and here you are. It is amazing.
So not only for eating, so they have यहाँ पे Samsung and Apple shop, so you can buy phone also.
Can you imagine? Oh, and this area, see, if you are tired and you do not want to go to any cafe, you can sit on those chairs. And plus they have eating parts. I guess you can come with your food and eat as well.
Yes, very nice. So office में जाओ, काम करो, नीचे आओ, spend करो.
And this area is, I believe, for the concerts or for some performances.
Yes. So यहाँ पे mostly performances, concert, they are going to happen. Or
And check, everything is made of glass. This is
Wow.
what nature and modernization is coming together. Oh, such a big
See?
screen.
Wow.
Wow.
so big screen, nice. So this is all office areas. क्या बढ़िया है, यहाँ पे आप जॉब करो, इस लाइक मज़ा अलग ही है.
And it feels like they have Uniqlo, seriously. They have put all possible and impossible brands over here.
Wow,
Can you
so
believe
amazing.
it?
So Irina, you can come here, you can do shopping, you can eat, you can work. So everything is here.
I think this is one of the best places which you must visit if you are coming to Delhi.
Wow, that's wonderful. I love it. Yeah, it's so clean and so beautiful.
This side, there are multiple of restaurants and cafes are situated, and even saloon looks. Can you
Wow.
imagine?
So there you can cut even your hair. Not only you can be
Obviously,
shopping.
and
Wow.
Forgot to do makeup. Just join saloon looks, and then you'll come beautiful.
And plus, Irina, I have noticed that here they have nice coffee shops.
Yeah, this only I said they have not just cafe, not just different food joints, but also lots of coffee shops. Oh, they have one of our favorite nows is Blue Tokai. Oh, great.
Oh, friends, Blue Tokai की coffee बहुत अच्छी है, so you definitely try. Wow.
They have as well microbreweries.
Nice.
So if you want to have a party with the booze, you can come here as well.
And even like leather bags. Nice.
Everything. If you're a fan of reading and all, then there is a Crosswords as
Crosswords.
well.
Yeah, bookshop. Enjoy. Nice.
Everything, everything. And some places, some cafes and restaurants are even unknown to us.
आज काफ़ी windy है यहाँ पे. Today is so windy, and but weather is काफ़ी. I mean, it's very nice. It's not that sunny.
No, it is very sunny, but I love sunny weather. Though it's not that hot, it's perfect for a walk in this type of area. And plus, there are so many places where you can click so lovely photos.
And apologies, friend. Mask हमें पहनना पड़ेगा because they are cutting challan.
Yeah, friends, sorry for seeing us in the masks. We simply cannot remove it every time. We do not want to pay big challan for two of us.
Yes, but the place काफ़ी अच्छी है. So I would definitely suggest कि अगर गुड़गांव कभी you guys can come, so definitely visit Cyber Hub.
That's true.
One of the best
This
place.
is awesome. Oh, and see, they have there also rooftop restaurants and cafes where you can also sit.
So let's go to the rooftop cafe and let's see.
Let's have a look.
Now we came on first floor and see first floors का look बड़ा ही amazing है. So you see the entire buildings. Wow. And Cyber Hub. Nice. Okay. And yeah, there we have restaurants and cafe. Beautiful. So United Coffee House, nice.
They have all types of places, whatever you prefer, whatever you can find out for yourself. Now can you imagine how beautiful it is in the night?
Yes. So this whole thing is lighting up. So अभी देखिए कोई नहीं है, सब खाली पड़ा हुआ है Cyber Hub because of Corona. No one is coming.
Because of Corona, number one, because it's daytime, number two, and of course, because it's still working hours, probably number three. But Saturday, Sunday, and especially evenings, it is overcrowded, believe me.
So now you can see crowd is coming out.
And if in case you do not have much money with you, but you want to have some snacks, Haldirams are always there, so you can always grab something, samosas or patties, and enjoy the wonderful view and ambience.
Wow. And I think they have here food court also.
Probably.
Yes.
Yeah, they have food court. Panko, McDonald's, KFC, Wow Momo, Pizza Hut, and so on. So even for budgeted, let's say visitors, you can find everything, whatever you want.
So दोस्तों अगर हम साइबर हब में आए हैं और बिना कुछ खाए पिए चले जाए, it's not fair. So we decided to have tasty coffee.
And plus the time is allowing us. It's not night, so we can have coffee right now and then to feel fresh.
Yes. And आज हम जाएंगे Big Chill में coffee try करने. We have never tried from Big
Yeah,
Chill.
we have never tried, but it's better to experience all types of coffee places. So let's try what cappuccinos and all they're serving over here.
Yeah, it looks so beautiful. That is nice. I guess they are checking the temperature again. So friend, Big Chill is famous for their bakery. See, they have so nice cakes. So beautiful. Wow, they have other varieties of cakes as well. So we are having tasty coffees over here. How's the coffee, by the way, Irina?
It's just normal coffee. Just they have added flavors, amaretto and Irish cream. But it's fine, not bad.
Okay, but I tried amaretto for the first time. For me, is okay. So okay, let's enjoy ourselves coffee. So friend, we had a very tasty coffee. Coffee was good, but it is not a coffee shop.
Yeah, so if you want to have a best coffee, then go to other cafes. Otherwise, if you like cakes and all, then you're welcome to Big Chill.
Yeah. So I definitely recommend कि जब भी आप गुड़गांव आए, so do visit this place. See, it's so beautiful.
Even if you're not coming to Gurgaon, but you're coming to Delhi NCR, you must visit Cyber Hub because it's outstanding, it's modern, it's beautiful, and it is for every budget. Whether you have 1 rupee or 1,000 rupees, you can find enjoyment over here. You can find nice places to eat, and you can simply enjoy the lovely ambience. Sometimes you do not need to go abroad to explore because India is really so great and beautiful. It has everything. Being a foreigner, I can guarantee you, you will definitely love it.
Yeah, and travel की बात करें, so if you are in Delhi, take a metro. Is directly आप Cyber Hub में ही land करोगे.
Yellow metro station, yellow metro line. That's it.
Yeah, it connect to DLF metro line, so you can easily go to Cyber Hub. It's just walking distance.
So friends, I advise you come and enjoy Cyber Hub and Gurgaon itself.
So friends, if you like our today's vlog on our trip to Cyber Hub, then don't forget to press the
Like button
and subscribe to our channel and do share with your friends. Definitely we need your subscription.
And friends, you can find so many interesting videos in our different vlogs. Just scroll down and enjoy. And yes, we want to know what exactly you want to see. Write down in your comment sections and we will be gladly making those videos for you.
Until then, let's see you in our next vlog.
Bye bye.